Alright, so I'm back for 2 more cards to finish up this set. Don't know where to begin. I'm really trying hard to think about how I can decorate this with you with things that I'm hoping that you would have in your stash. So what I want to do is, I'm going to trim this one down with you. And I'm going to get rid of the black this time. Yep, I'm going to get rid of that black border. So we have a couple of choices. Super cute, right? Super, super cute. All right, for my base, I know I'm coming back and forth, back and forth. For the base of the card, I'm going to stick to the black and white, and I'll do black and white. So I'll fold this in half. All right. And I'm not sure if I want to give that a border. You know what I think I want to do with that? Let's do this. Let's pop it up on dimensionals. Hi, shh. Okay, come here. I want to show everybody. Come here, Mittens. Come here, Willow. Come here. Willow's here. Oh, come here, Willow. Come on, baby. Willow, come here. Okay, Willow is here. That's my son's dog. Come here, Willow. Willow. She's chasing the cat. Come here, girl. Come here. Say hi to everybody. Shh. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. Yes, Willow is here today. Hi. Everybody gives kisses. And there's Texas upside down. I'm sorry, guys. Look at these two. Ugh. It's a beautiful day out. I have the back door wide open. They can run and come and go as they please. But this is right where they are, right here with me. This is a 5-second puppy break. Tex is just a little bit older than she is. But they love each other. She's a girl and he's a boy. Yep. She's a girl, he's a boy. So while the kids are working, my husband goes and picks her up and brings her here for a little bit. All right, guys, go outside. And they run around my house as if I have kids again. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to put this up on dimensionals. So let's add, I don't need these to be that big. I don't remember where I got these. But we'll cut them in half and use them for all 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really, I'm trying hard to think about where I get these. You know what it is? It's just tape, like to hold something on a wall. Maybe I got it from Walmart. All right, so we add them to all 4 corners. And this is what I'm thinking. Ooh, yeah, okay. I was going to do something else, but I have something else on another card in my head. Yay, how cute is this, right? All right. So it just gives it a little dimension. And I want to stick to the black and white theme. So go find stickers. I know you all have stickers. Find something that you have in your stash and use it. I think I'm going to use this one because there are some spots. And this will complement it very, very nicely. So I think I want to do this. I want to make this the focal point at the top, and then layer my flowers on both the top and the bottom. Yep, that's what I want to do. How sweet, right? Think these came from Walmart, honestly. I think these were in my stash from Walmart. Look how cute these stickers are. Right? Love it. Got some little bling going on, right? I'm really liking these small little ones. And there we have it. Cute, simple little Mother's Day card with something that we had within our stash. So I will save these for another date. And now we have 3 cards down and 1 to go. Right there, 3 cards. And now we have this one. This one's basically really just, it's done for us. Let's cut a piece of black that is 4 by 5 1/4. Alright, so I put the 3 stickers on. Look how cute. But I think I want to add some bling. That's what we have washi tape for, right? Just a cute little, right underneath the word day. Just to add some dimension. Yay! How cute! I do want to trim that off just a little. Look how cute that adds, right? It's just amazing how Alright everybody, so there you have it. 4 cards made from the template I gave you. I'm going to put this in my Facebook group on the files until I can figure out how to do a Google Drive to share with you all. That's my goal. I'm not sure how to help. Oh my gosh, Google thought I was talking to her when I said Google Drive. Oh, that is funny. Did you all hear that? Big Brother's always listening. Alright, so here's the template. Please enjoy it. And from this template, you get that. You get that. You get this. And you get this. Whoops, upside down. Alright, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I hope you have a blessed day, and I will see you real soon. Bye!